Hey guys and gals, what's going on? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be doing a review of the Neewer NL480 2-pack dimmable LED lights. Now, I've had these lights for roughly 18 months, and I figured it was high time that I did a review on them. These particular lights, they come with this pretty cool carrying case, an LED light, of course, some various package contents, but you'll get a adapter. They don't come with like rechargeable batteries. They do come with this this adapter. You'll get a diffuser, which is kind of what covers all of the LED lights and is really important when you're doing some filming. You're going to need to diffuse the light, as well as an instruction manual. So there are lots of things that I really like about these lights, and if you guys stick around to the end, I will tell you my most important thing that I like about this light. So, like I said, I do lots of different filming inside my office here, and I actually needed lights that I could adjust on stands up and down, use different colors lights and stuff like that. So I actually purchased these lights because of all the reviews, and I was hoping that this particular light would meet all of the high reviews that it got. Well, I can tell you, after a year and a half of using them, they are freaking amazing. If you're looking for lights, whether you're a photographer, like a wedding photographer, you need to light up maybe even your outside. You can take these lights outside. I wouldn't leave them outside, but you can take them outside if you need to shine an area or anything like that. You can use them for video shooting like I do, or like more creative photography. Maybe you're photographing physical products or anything like that. These are also perfect for that if you're maybe you have your own products that you're trying to sell. It actually comes with a really easy to use kind of telescoping tripod. And I'm going to show you guys really quick here in a second how big this actual telescoping tube gets, and it's kind of crazy. So before we jump over and look at my second one that I have actually set up, on the back side here is where the batteries would go. You guys can see here, you'll have to order them separately if you plan on taking your lights outside the house, right? Where maybe you don't have access to an outlet. But you can see here, they're dimmable. You can go up and down with the yellow, and then you can go up and down with the white. Here is where you can turn the lights on and off. So to the left would be a battery, and to the right would be for the outlet. And this right spot right here is actually where the outlet gets plugged into. These are very sturdy, very durable. They're very light. You get a couple of these carrying cases if you need to take it anywhere. Super easy, compact, and these are really light as well. So right here at the bottom is actually, and I'll show you guys on the one that's installed, this is where you would tighten it to the top of this particular stand. And as you guys can see, it's got a couple different spots here where you can lock it to a specific height. And I will show you guys right now what that height looks like. So this is one that I have installed. I normally leave these lights installed in my office at all times because I do a lot of Zoom calls and I do a lot of trainings, and I have a YouTube channel that I use to light up. So you can see here at the top, see if I can bend this down a little bit. You guys can see here, this is what it looks like when the light is on. I have it to the right, and here I'll go up. This is white hot, and you can see, I mean, it goes insanely bright. I mean, it's really incredible how bright it goes. And I can show you guys on this one, all the LED lights underneath. Like, look how many LED lights you get. It's really incredible. I think you get like something like 400 LED lights. So it gets really, really bright. These actually do come with barn door attachments. If you want to, you have to purchase them separately, but that's what these holes right here in the front are for. If you want to include maybe these, they call them barn doors, the flaps that kind of go over the light. But again, it is really tall. I'm 6'1", and this thing is easily like another 6 inches taller than me. So this thing can go up really, really high. You can pivot it and then lock it down if you want it to face downward. Here's where I said you can lock it at the top. And then as we go down, there's the telescoping. There's one spot here that you can lower it. You go down, there's another spot you can lower it, and then you can go all the way down to the bottom. And this particular knob here actually locks the tripod in base, tripod down, okay? So I'll try and wiggle it. So at the top, it does kind of move around a little bit, but at the bottom, like, as long as you don't have like 4-year-old kids hanging off of this thing, I've got a couple 9-year-olds and they know to stay out of this office to not knock my lights over, but it's actually really, really sturdy at the base, to be honest with you. The power cord is a good length. So it goes from the top here, so 6.5 feet up, and it goes all the way down here. So the cord is easily like 8 feet long, and I'm able to plug it in and actually move, if I need to, I can actually move this light around my office. There's enough cord for this thing to literally stretch into like the center part of my office. So yeah, definitely one of the best things that I like about this light is going to be being able to change the different colors, right? So definitely depending on the colors, because I have a Canon camera that I can adjust the white balance on. And the best thing about these is that they're dimmable, right? You can get it just right depending on whether it's light outside or it's dark outside, and you just want to hit that right white balance for your camera to make it look good. I like that you can actually, make it dimmable and then just kind of balance it with the yellow, okay? So that's gonna be it for this video and review. As always, I would love it if you got value out of this, hit me with a thumbs up. It really helps my Amazon storefront, and definitely if you guys haven't checked it out, check out all the other reviews that I've done on my Amazon storefront, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye for now.